Here we have a beautiful Honda SL70. It was restored early this year in 2023. It's got a lot of original parts on it. Its date of birth was 10/71. It's got a speedometer. Tail light is original. Seat is original. On the right hand side cover, you can see it was delivered from Cruces Cycle Center in Las Cruces, New Mexico. I cleared that over. The bike has got nice fresh paint all over. We cleared the side cover so we can retain and keep that sticker. It's got the original Honda exhaust. It's got fresh rubber kendas. The hubs, forks were all rebuilt. Everything reconditioned to new. The hand grips, the levers, all are original. The handlebar chrome is original. The frame was powder coated silver. The paint in the frame needed to be redone. It wasn't worth saving. But the engine had been gone through, taken apart, make sure everything was good. It's got great compression. I believe it's 130 pounds. We'll take a walk around. Sorry for the wind today. It's fall here in North Texas. The only minor blemishes on this are on the rear tail light. You can see on the tail light itself, it's got a few scratches on top. Probably could be polished out. I haven't really attempted anything. That's how I achieved the bike. And you can see some minor marring to the top of the chrome on the tail light. And get around here in the light. However, it is original equipment, including the gas can. The tank lid is also original. Everything else has been reconditioned, repurposed with vapor blasting. It's got a new chain. Rear sprocket is still original. The bike has only got 380 miles on it. Okay, we're gonna end this video and do a cold start video.